The colors of autumn in Albania are really amazing. But I didn't only come here to look at the view and the autumn colors. I got this bicycle with cheat codes, electric one, to cycle to Elbasan, which used to be the industrial heart of Albania when it was still a communist state, when it was still isolated. Now, let's see what the state of it is. So I ran into some unexpected challenges. My pedal broke off in the middle of the mountain, making cycling a lot harder. And I found out my bicycle does not have any lights on it. So I've had to use my artificial light to navigate through these mountain roads. But we're nearly there. You can see the city in front of me already. Well, I arrived to the site, the former industrial heart of Albania. Many of these sites, they lay empty because when communism collapsed here, they had to compete with the whole world. While before, they only had to compete with themselves because Albania was one of the most isolated countries in the world. So many of these plants were either closed down or bought up by other countries like Turkey, European countries, maybe the USA as well. And those that were bought up might still be operating. This thing here is like the remnant of an industrial fairy tale. Sad one, left to rust, doesn't seem any longer in use. This huge abandoned factory hall seems to have been completely stripped. A big piece of machinery was probably dug out of there. And now it has been completely taken over, taken back by nature, by the plants. Getting some sunlight to the corroded roof. I think they love it here. Though many of the plants here lie abandoned, today I've heard stories that during the night people from this town will come out, start up the furnaces and run a little bit of illegal industry away from any regulations. Who knows? Well, it is night now, and it's true. There's a lot of stuff going on here during the night. As you can see smoke coming from the stacks. I don't know what they're doing, but they're definitely busy. The heart of the old Albanian industry wouldn't be complete without a bunker. Who knows? Maybe they were manufactured here as well and assembled wherever they were needed. So I managed to get a closer look at the biggest and probably the most ruined section of this entire plant. I wonder what they would have made here. This really is a post-industrial wonderland. Of course, this place too has been thoroughly stripped and partially demolished. But it gives it a really eerie atmosphere. The light coming through the bricks everywhere, stairs being visible from the outside, just a skeleton of what was once a factory over there. This really is the most impressive part of the whole structure. Well guys, that was the Kombinati Metalurgjik. It was once the industrial center of Albania. It's now mostly an industrial wasteland. I hope you enjoyed it, found it interesting. If you liked it, give it a like. And I hope to see you next Sunday. Enjoy the last bit of your weekend.